I welcome you all to this session on final accounts of banking companies. In the previous live class, I explained about the treatment of special items in the final accounts of banking companies, and you are also given with the schedules of for preparing final accounts of banking companies. And I told you to go through it and note down. Today in this session, we shall have two small problems which are usually asked in 6 mark category, that is not actually on final account. I mean not to prepare a profit loss statement and balance sheet. It's mainly to calculate the rebate on bills discount and its adjustment. First you go through the problem number 1. In this examination type, as I told, many times this question has appeared. Trial balance of XYZ Bank Limited as on 31st March 2021 shows the following balance. Interest earned including discount on bills 90,81,200. As you know, interest earned is a major source of income. It is the income earned received. Rebate on bills discounted on April 1st 2020 at the beginning of the year 9,500. The amount of unexpired discount on 31st March 2021 which is earned and included but not the period lapsed. You are required to pass journal entries and to prepare ledger accounts of interest and discount. As you know, interest and discount is a income. This is the account when income received. See, at the beginning there was a rebate, that has to be added. Beginning, adding in the sense crediting. So, or before that you can go to the journal entries. First to record the balance in rebate of bills discount at the beginning. Rebate on bills discounted account debit to interest and discount, that has to be added, because rebate outstanding or the unexpired period, the end will be deducted. This is last year, means to be added for the year. Then cash account debit due to interest, that is an income received. See, income must be given credit. Then interest and discount on that unexpired income, that is for the year, this correction is required, 2021, that is to the next year. You see, it is clear here. Opening rebate should be added. See, always income credit. When you give credit again means add, and at the end it should be deducted. You see, interest usually credit balance. Now debiting means reducing that balance. And the interest and discount account is one plus the final balance to be transferred to profit loss account. While preparing final account, in the statement of profit loss account, this amount has to be taken. You see, add opening less closing. It is like any other outstanding income. So here interest and discount account, first entry, this last entry, this is the second entry, and this is the balance to be transferred to profit loss account. To be transferred to profit and loss account. So this sort of problem, as I told, I sometimes only to pass journal entry, sometimes journal entry plus. You see, for a receipt of interest, any entry like in earning of any income, cash account debit to interest on, and opening rebate has to be added and closing has to be deducted, and final balance to be transferred, or a discount, interest and discount account must be closed by transfer to profit loss account. Then problem 2, the following particulars are extracted from the Town Bank Limited for the year ending 31st March 2021. Rebate on bills discounted, you see, opening it is 65,040. Then interest and discount received, that is during the 1,96,092,62,400. Bills discounted and purchased 67,000 for that discounted amount, not the bills discounted. You see, 65,000 on that percentage you need to calculate. It is ascertained that proportionate discount not yet earned on the bills discounted, which will mature during 2021, amount of this 97,000. This has to be deducted. Pass journal entries and show the rebate on bills discounted and interest and discount. It's interest and discount account, or before that you can take up the journal entry Bills discounted to discount is opening, like previous problem. This entry, second entry for income received, cash account debited by interest or discount account, and this is interest or rebate account, that's amount given. Then interest received, see 96,000, 34,000, that is after balance to be transferred. Sometimes this on this amount, percentage may be given. If this amount is given, so that is irrelevant. As usual, 4 entries: one to adjust opening rebate, other one closing at the outside at the end, interest received, and final balance. So interest and discount account, by rebate, opening, to rebate, closing, by cash, received, profit, balance in figure. That is what the fourth entry. Rebate and bill discounted. See, this balance carried on, and now adjusting to transfer this entry and closing this one, that has to be transferred. So next year beginning this will be the opening. So this is about 2 problems, and these 2 problems are usually appears in 6 mark category. 4 journal entries, sometimes only 3 journal entries, and sometimes journal entry with ledger accounts. So we shall see few more problem in the coming section.